Welcome back once again to Basic Mathematics, where I don't rush, I don't skip steps, and I don't complicate things. Okay, now in this question, I am going to explain rule 3 and 4. Okay, so if you're ready to understand this rule and solve further examples related to this rule, do well to subscribe, follow, like the video, and share as well. Okay, let's go there. Look at question number 1. If you study this cycle with a triangle inside, you notice that the angles that we are expected to calculate are angle P and angle Q. Okay, they are the missing angles. Okay, for me to find angle P, right, I have angle 63 here. Look at 63 is only this side of the triangle, right? The rule 3 states that triangle formed by two radii is an isosceles triangle. By two radii simply means triangle formed by two radius. Let me use that term, very simple. Now, look at it. From the center to the circumference is a radius, right? Good. Another one, from the center to the circumference is a radius. Now, that rule states that a triangle that is formed by two radius is an isosceles triangle. That is, this line is equal to this. So that means the base angle, that is this angle P, is equal to angle 63. You see, knowing the rule will help you to answer this question without any calculation. So therefore, my P is equal to 63 degrees. Why? Because triangle formed by two radials is an isosceles triangle. So what is an isosceles triangle? It's a triangle that has its base equal, right? So my P, this angle is 63. Very simple. Okay, now let's proceed to solve for Q. In solving for Q, you may be tempted to apply this same rule. You are correct. That is, from here, from the center to the circumference of the circle, this is a radius. This is from this point to this point. This another radius, right, which form an isosceles triangle with the base Q and this other base here. Okay, but I don't know the base here, I don't know the base here. Now I am going to apply the rules of angles in a semicircle. So therefore, what I'm going to have is angle x, y, this is my y, z, is equal to 90 degrees. Why? Angles in a semicircle. This angle in a semicircle, right? This is a semicircle. So this angle is what? 90 degree. And I know half of it, that is the entire angle here like this, is 90 degree. I know half of it, which is 63. So 63 has been cut out from 90. What are you going to have remaining? That is the angle now OYZ. So I'm going to have angle OYZ is going to be 90 degree minus 63. Okay, so it's going to be what? If you do this, you are going to have 27 degrees, right? Good. So this base angle now is 27 degrees. Now, based on this rule 2, triangle formed by two radii is what? An isosceles triangle. So that means this angle is equal to this. So therefore, my angle Q is equal to 27 degrees. You see, this is very, very simple. You see how you apply rule 3, right? So always remember the rules. That is, a triangle formed by two radii is what? An isosceles triangle. Okay, so do well to like the video, share the video, and check back for the next question. Okay, let's proceed to question 2.